So we're able to transform payments across Africa, number one, by transporting the model that M-Pesa has, lifting the model and making it relevant in different markets. Today, we have over 60 million customers across Africa in in 7 markets in Africa. Now, what we do, because we are an open platform, an instantaneous platform, the first thing is to enable payments across different borders. So regional payments is the first thing that we're then able to do. And through our services, like international money remittance transfers, global pay, as it's popularly known, we're then able to enable the movement of funds and hence the movement of trade across the continent. In terms of thinking about other solutions that include credit, we have taken some of the learnings that we have had here in Kenya and lifted them to other markets like Tanzania, where they're then able to use the same level of insights and build similar models that then enable them to also take the use of credit further in those markets. So those are some of the areas in which we partner, and then we work with strategic partners across the continent to make sure that services are available. Visa, being one of our large partners, is one that we co-create a lot with. We also work with the likes of Alipay that enables transactions from Kenya into China and vice versa, so providing an open platform around e-commerce.
First-time visitors to Ethiopia are bound to notice one thing about the local currency, the birr.
The biggest note in Ethiopia is about 200 shilling, so you need to carry a lot of notes to go to the supermarket.
Kenya, the original use case that has been the foundation of our success is pretty much about money transfer. Okay, in the old days, you needed to give money in an envelope to the bus driver, who then would deliver it to a family member 500 kilometers away in Kisumu. We're not solving the money transfer problem. What we're solving in Ethiopia with M-Pesa is the digital payment, the cash payments to be replaced by digital payments. If you want to be successful with a new product, you need to be relevant. You need to be able to solve a problem, a pain point for customers, and then you become very successful. So that pain point we're solving in Ethiopia, replacing cash payments with using a smartphone to do a USSD transaction, just doesn't make sense. When you have an app, a very nice app, we try to educate customers, go straight to the app, and then once you're hooked to the app, there's no way you go back to USSD transactions. So the journey is very different. We're also launching, from day one, our bank tech services. Probably it took 5 or 10 years before M-Pesa in Kenya launched bank tech services. We are leapfrogging and we are jumping. We try to do 18 years in 18 months. We are on a journey, and I'm very committed and convinced that we will get there. We will make M-Pesa a success story in Ethiopia.